Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to AMD Exam Preparation 2021 video. So in this video, we will discuss everything about AMD exam, okay? Expected exam date, your syllabus, books and everything, exam pattern for both the posts, that is your Scientist Assistant B for all branches and UDC post, okay? So let's start our video. So first we will discuss about your expected exam date. So as you know that I think more than 2 months completed, okay, after filling the form. So now what date you can expect? So your exam expected date will be January last week to Feb first week. Okay, so this is the expected exam date for your AMD exam. So you should target to complete all the syllabus till January 3rd week. I hope you already started the preparation. So till January 3rd week, you should complete all your syllabus, and then after that our test series and everything will be there, and when we can expect. Obviously, it is also get delay, okay, because again the virus cases are increasing day by day. So I hope that they will not delay the process, or if they delay, then it will be in March or April. Okay, but for now we will consider our target as January last week or February first week for both the posts UDC and scientific assistant. Now we will discuss about what is the exam pattern of scientist B or scientific assistant B. As you know, this is the very important post, as this is group B post, okay, and on basis of diploma you are getting opportunity to work in central government as a group B officer. So that is the very good opportunity. That's why just prepare very hard for this exam, right? Now what is the exam pattern? So as you know, your exam is there just for qualification purpose, and your final selection is depend on your interview. So don't worry, I will give all the guidance for interview also after examination, so no need to worry. Our first focus is your exam, okay? Your exam having 100 questions and you will get 2 hours for that. So these 100 questions are totally technical questions, means whatever your branch, okay, according to your branch, all the subjects are there and you need to study that, okay? So all the subjects you studied already in diploma, that only things are there. The paper level you can expect easy to moderate. Mostly it will be easy, as you are paper is based on your diploma level, okay, so no need to worry. All the basics you should complete, okay. All the theory part you should know, all the definitions, all the formulas, and what are the parameters in the formula. All this basic thing you should know for each chapter or each subject, right? I will definitely mention the subject after in the syllabus section. So for the AMD scientific assistant, this is the syllabus, and after that interview is there, okay. Yes, definitely negative marking is there of -1 marks, negative mark, and positive marking is there of 3 marks. So total paper is your 300 marks paper. The next is for UDC post. For UDC post we have two exams. First is your objective test, okay, and after qualifying objective test in the ratio of 1:20, they will call for descriptive test. So first we will discuss about objective test, and this UDC post is of group C post, so this is also very good opportunity for all the graduates, okay. So for objective test you have aptitude, English, GK and reasoning. For aptitude 25 questions, English 25, GK 25, reasoning also 25. You will get total time of 2 hours, that is 120 minutes, okay. Marking will be positive 3 marks and negative marking of 1 mark. So total paper of 300 marks for UDC objective test. After objective test your descriptive test is there. For that you will get 3 hours basically, okay. So for this you will get 3 hours, and this will be your 150 marks, but after objective test they will definitely give you the list. So this is the second part. So here you have essay writing, precise writing, okay, then descriptive test, noting and drafting also there, and it will be in both language, that is English or Hindi. It's based on depend on you, but this part, that is part A, will be only in English language. So this thing you need to take care, okay. So this is the exam pattern for UDC post. Now we will discuss syllabus for first scientific assistant, okay, branch wise, and then we will discuss about for UDC post. So first branch is physics branch. So for physics, what subject we need to study? Mathematical physics, then classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, thermodynamics, statistical physics, then atomic molecular physics, solid state physics and electronics, nuclear and particle physics. So these are the 8 subjects you need to study in very much detail for physics branch. Okay. Now about books. So there is no any particular book for physics branch. If your diploma books are there, then definitely that is good for your preparation. Okay, because there is no one book which having all these subjects. So individual book you need to study from. And if you have diploma book, then definitely other than that no need to study anything. So just search for your diploma books. Okay, yeah, definitely you have. I hope you have that. So you can refer that for physics. The next branch is civil branch. So for civil, what we have: engineering mechanics, solid mechanics, structure analysis, construction material management, water resource, environmental, then transportation, highway payments, traffic engineering, geometric engineering, concrete and steel structure. So now for AMD, on which subject you should focus more? So first is your construction material management. Okay, this is very much important. Then solid mechanics. Then you can expect maximum questions from engineering mechanics also. Okay. Then your environmental engineering, very much important. And last is your traffic engineering. So obviously you need to study all these subjects, but these subjects are very much important for your AMD exam 2022. Okay. And which book you can refer for practice and for preparation? So SSC JEE previous year book is enough for this exam. Okay, so just purchase SSC JEE previous year. I hope that 15 to 20 years you based on your branch, so you can check what paper you have. But this collection of papers are enough to prepare for this AMD exam and you to crack this exam. Okay. The next is electrical branch. So for electrical, what we have? So data electronics and microprocessor, network theory, control system, signal system, electromagnetic field, machines system. Then measurement is there, analog power electronics and material management. So to prepare for electrical, what subject is most important for your AMD exam? So first is power system. Okay, very much important. You need to study in very much detail for this power system. Then machines, very much important again for AMD exam. Okay. Then third subject which you need to focus more, that is your data electronics and microprocessor, which may having higher weightage. Then the next is network theory. Okay, always network theory is having lots of weightage in means atomic energy exams, so that's why network theory the fourth priority. And then fifth is your, you can say, measurement. Okay, so definitely you need to study all these subjects, but these 5 subjects will have more weightage, so just focus and don't skip any topic from these 5 subjects. Try to cover whole subject. Okay, what book you can refer for your exam preparation? So SSC JEE previous year exams paper you can refer and you can practice. So this is enough. Okay, so you can check whether you are getting a last 15 years paper, 10 to 15 year paper are enough for this exam, so no need to worry about that. Okay, now the next branch is your EC and IN branch. So what we have for EC IN? So data electronics microprocessor, network theory. Okay, then signal system, EMT, EDC, control system, communication, analog electronics, measurement and instrumentation, basics of chemistry. So this thing is required, basics. Okay, also add here basics of physics, then C programming, and then last is your power electronics. Now for ECIN, what subject you can expect in your AMD exam which having maximum weightage? So first is communication system. Okay, second is measurement and instrumentation. Then third will have maximum weightage, that is your data electronics and microprocessor. Okay, then network theory, and the last is your signals and systems. Okay, so these 5 subjects will have more weightage. You can consider EMT also as a 6 subjects. Definitely you need to study all the subjects, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subjects have lots of weightage if from out of 12 subjects. Okay, now what book you can refer for this AMD exam? So one book is there for your AMD exam, is that it's your youth publication book. Okay, of electronics branch. I suggest this book for IGCAR exam also, and lots of people got advantage while preparing for IGCAR. So that's why I'm again suggesting this book, youth publication previous year electronics. Okay, so this thing you need to refer for your exam. In that all the things you will get. So I guess there are 2 parts of this book, so you can check that. Okay, the next branch is CSE IT branch. Okay, for first we will discuss about syllabus. So C programming, HTML, data structure algorithm, DBMS, network, then compiler, TOC, OS, operating system, data electronics and computer application architecture. Now among these 11 subjects, which subjects you can expect high weightage for your AMD exam. Okay, so first is your C programming, then you need to study computer network, then TOC will be there. Okay, then data structures and algorithm, very much important, and after that detailed electronics. So among these 11 subjects, these 6 subjects are very much important. Definitely you need to study all the 11 subjects, but these 6 having, okay, have lots of weightage, so I'll focus more on this subjects among this. And which book you can refer for study or for practice questions? So UGC previous year net, okay, UGC net previous year questions you can refer. There is no need to study other things, just these are the enough material for your AMD exam. Okay, so just gather the previous year paper and solve the questions, you will get all the things. Now we will discuss the syllabus or UDC post. So for UDC, okay, all the things are non-technical things and we will discuss one by one. So first is your general awareness, which having 25 marks weightage. So in that you need to study history, geography, polity, economics, science. In science, 3 science there, 3 subjects are there: physics, chemistry and biology. Then current affairs and static GK. Okay, current affair from which year to which year? So start from your April month, okay, to January month. If exam is in January or February, then till January month. If exam will be in March or April, then till March or April month. Okay, so for April month to January, you need to study current affair April 2021 to January 2022. This much current affairs are enough for your AMD exam. Now what books and resources you can use for this? Okay, so first we will discuss about books. So for to complete this portion, Lucent book is enough for your exam. Okay, Lucent one book is there, Lucent General Knowledge or General Awareness. So just take that book. Current affair you can check from our website apnagovernment.org. In the description you will get the link. So just follow all the regular articles of current affair and you can check all the previous current affairs also. Okay. So this is the thing for your non-tech section, general awareness, and the most important thing is our Telegram PDF. Our Apna Government Job channel, Telegram channel is there, okay, on which we are sending daily PDF. So one PDF is there of general awareness and one PDF is there of general studies. So daily practice questions from this PDF, definitely it will help you for your examination. Okay, the second subject we need to study is quant, that is your aptitude. So in aptitude, let's see what we have. So first, percentage, ratio, HCF, LCF, profit loss discount, number system, SICI, that is simple interest, compound interest, time and work, board stream, pipes and system, average, mensuration 2D and 3D, then time, distance, ages, trigonometry and height and distance. Okay, so this is the total syllabus for your UDC exam. Now which book you can refer? So first you need to practice all these chapters from SSC CGL previous year book. Okay, this is enough, no need to study other books, and or the option book is RS Agrawal. If you are RS Agrawal, then no need to worry. Okay, no need to purchase this SSCGL previous year book. But if you don't have RS Agrawal, then go for SSCGL previous year book. Okay, and practice all the previous year questions. That is, I guess, 30 year previous year questions you will get. So just practice this and you will get hands-on quant. Also along with this book, our daily Telegram quant PDF practice questions book is very much important. So always just solve daily questions from that. Okay, so just join our Telegram Apna channel, link is in the description. The next is your reasoning part. So in reasoning, what we have: code decoding, classification, blood relation, direction test, number series, counting figure, missing figure, paper cutting, folding. Okay, then statement arrangement, statement conclusion, then course of action, data interpretation, stating arrangement, analogy and puzzle. Now here what book you can refer? So RS Agrawal is best for the reasoning part. Okay, I am suggesting RS Agrawal only for verbal and non-verbal reasoning, and our daily Telegram PDF of reasoning will help you to crack this exam. So just follow that PDF regularly and just study from RS Agrawal. The last subject is English. So for English, grammar rules, comprehension, close test, synonym, antonym and idioms, and spelling test is there. Okay, so for grammar rules, any book you can refer which having grammar, definitely all books are there, or internet also you will get the grammar rules. So no need to study any other thing. Okay, for practice question, our Telegram PDF is there of English. So from that PDF, just follow regularly synonym, antonym, then your spelling test. Okay, all the things are there in your Telegram PDF. So just follow other. Okay, or for practice, more practice, if you want any other books along with PDF, then SSC CGL English previous year questions, this also you can practice. Okay, So all these things you can practice for your AMD exam. No need to worry about that. And if you feel still have any query, any doubt regarding any section, any subject, definitely you can comment down below or you can message me on Instagram. So this is all about your AMD exam. Now we will see. Okay, test series will be there for your electrical branch and ECE branch and iron branch. Okay, if possible I will make for mechanical and sorry, mechanical not, civil also. Okay, and for physics also. So this are, I am not this guarantee you, but for electrical ECI and computer science IT also test series will be there. Okay, you will get the announcement in your channel only. So just subscribe to the channel, and if you have any query, any doubt, comment down below. All the best.